Well, hi.
Hi,
Who are you?
I'm Bunny.
Do you have a last name?
No, just Bunny.
So, what are you doing here?
I'm here to explain Doodletoot.
Okay.
Well, you take the words doodle and attitude and smash them together.
You have quite an interesting attitude.
See, now you're getting it. I'm demonstrating Doodletoot. So tell me about you.
Well, I'm a freelance artist, and I graduated in 1982 from the Columbus College of Art and Design, and I majored in illustration and advertising. Bunny?
Huh? I was listening. Oh, hey, did I tell you I own a restaurant? Yeah, it's called Buns. Watch this. Special effects.
Hey, that's neat. Drawing on the other side of the surface.
Want to meet one of my best friends?
Sure.
This is a Chow Chow. His name is Bamboo.
He's cute.
Here's another good friend. Her name is Gerla. She's my manager. When someone asks me, how much do you charge to make a video like this? I just say, ask Gerla. Gerla knows everything. But Gerla says, stop being so full of yourself, Bunny, and tell them to contact us through our contact page. Yeah, whatever. Have you been liking the cool tunes?
Yeah, they're nice.
We've got over 270.
It's good to have so many, because different videos require different moods.
Yeah, right. Ooh, I like to play Bible trivia games. Can you guess what my favorite Bible verse is? Psalm 23, verse 4. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Those are my tippy toes.
Doodletoot, drawn for attention.